Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add Klarna on Fashion Nova. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use Klarna on Fashion Nova, you can simply do so by using the Klarna card. So what you can do now, so just get into the Fashion Nova site and then make a purchase, like just choose any item. For example, here I'm going to just add this to my cart and then let me check out with this. So I'm going to do that. So when I proceed to checkout, like how we normally just the usual process, like how you make any online orders, just go to the get to the checkout option, the checkout page here. So once you have done here, so what you're going to do now here is you're gonna type in the usual stuff like your address, your shipping address, your delivery method, everything. We are more focused on the payment method. So let's just fill these up and we'll get to the payment method. All right, so I'm just going to get to the payment section. So here, all right, now, so I've done with my contact details, shipping address, and all those information I've provided. And then when I get to this section here, like the payment method, so here, what I can do here, you can see that under payment method, like if your region supports Klarna, then you should also see a Klarna option here. For example, like unlike mine, mine doesn't support Klarna, so I don't have the Klarna option here. But you can, if you have the option, you can straight away click on Klarna and then complete the payments. All right, or even Klarna. Otherwise, what you can do, you have this credit card option. Select the credit card option. This credit card option accepts Visa card, so which means we can use our Klarna card. So for example, if you open up your Klarna card, like this is my Klarna card. So, and if you need help with generating this Klarna prepaid card, so we have a separate video in our channel. Please look into it if you need help with it. And that's it. So if you have generated your Klarna card here, this is actually a prepaid Visa card. So what we can do, we can use this card as like how we normally use a credit card or debit card. So you can get the card details from here, and then just plug in into these plug in into here. All right, turn it into a credit card, and then you can just click on pay now. Or if you have a Google Pay option, you can select the Google Pay and you can add this card to your Google Pay. So if you have added your Klarna card to your Google Pay, and then if your region supports Google Pay, you can also select Google Pay and then just hit on pay now and then complete the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.